So hi everybody, my name is Emma and today I'll be going over how to build your own website using WordPress. Now one of the first questions you may have is, why is this not working? Is why WordPress? Well, WordPress is the largest CMS in the world. CMS stands for Content Management System, which basically means users don't have to use code in order to create websites or applications alike. They can just drag text and images and videos in order to create whatever they would like. And as you can see from this graph over here, WordPress dominates the market with holding over 59% of total market shares. Aside from that, WordPress also has over 50,000 plugins. Now you may be wondering what a plugin is. Plugin is basically an application that can extend WordPress's functionality. And through all of these plugins, WordPress has a highly customizable yet flexible user experience. But despite this, they also have low setup and maintenance costs and are designed for everyday people, not just coders or designers, but also everyday lay people like you or me. Okay, so in general, there are 4 steps to create a website. The first one is setting up your domain name. A domain name is basically your website's name. This is also known as URL, and for example, Google's domain name is google.com. Yours could be yourname.net, your dad's name.com, etc., etc. Another thing is hosting. Hosting is basically when a website is on 24/7 and holds all of your website's information so that when people click on it, they're not greeted with a blank screen. The third step is installing WordPress. Now, WordPress is completely free for those of you who are concerned. And the last one is creating or customizing your website. Now, something special about the module that we're holding today is that we're going to be giving you the opportunity to play around with WordPress and get to know the environment. At the same time, I'll be going over a walkthrough and we'll be creating a website that looks something like this. And it'll be a little bit customized to your preferences. Okay, but aside from that, I also want to give you the information you need in order to set up this kind of environment on your own so that you can get your website up and running on the internet even today. So the first thing I'll be covering is how to set up your domain name and how to host. So a lot of you may have heard of a website called HostGator. It's extremely popular with a lot of experts in the field. And 2 of the biggest reasons are because of its 24/7, 365 support, its really fast networking, as well as the really good prices. So really quickly, I'm going to go on HostGator and give you a demonstration of how it would look like. So when you get on the HostGator website, you'll see 6 options you have to choose from. I'm going to say it outright. You literally don't need any of them except for this web hosting. So from here, we have 3 plans. Again, this business plan is basically, it's unnecessary. There's a lot of bells and whistles that really don't apply to what you need to be